modern warfare, the sky is no longer a sanctuary. Ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, hypersonic weapons, and drone swarms now define the battlefield. For the United States, air defense is no longer optional, it is foundational. This is the story of how America is reshaping its air defense doctrine. From the Patriot missile system to artificial intelligence, and toward the future of warfare itself. For decades, U.S. military power relied on offensive dominance, stealth aircraft, long-range strike, and global reach. But recent conflicts revealed a harsh truth. Even the strongest military is vulnerable without robust air defense. Modern adversaries no longer need air superiority. They rely on saturation missile attacks, cheap drones, overwhelming defenses, precision strikes on air bases, radar sites, and logistics hubs. Air defense is now the first line of survival. Without it, aircraft cannot take off. Supply lines collapse, power projection fails. This reality forced the U.S. to rethink everything. At the heart of U.S. air defense stands the Patriot missile system. Patriot is not just one weapon. It is part of a layered defense architecture. Layered defense explained. Upper layers intercept ballistic missiles at long range. Mid-layers engage cruise missiles and aircraft. Lower layers stop drones and low-altitude threats. Patriot PAC-3 specializes in missile-on-missile interception, high maneuverability. Terminal phase defense. The goal is simple. No single weapon should be able to break through alone. Every incoming threat must survive multiple engagement zones. For years, U.S. doctrine prioritized precision over volume. That has changed. Modern wars have proven that. Wars are won not only by technology but by production capacity. The United States is now increasing interceptor production, securing long-term missile supply chains, preparing industry for sustained, high-intensity conflict. This marks a shift from peacetime efficiency to wartime readiness. Air defense is no longer just a system, it is an industrial strategy. Missiles do not exist in isolation, neither should air defense systems. The U.S. now integrates ground-based radar, naval Aegis radar, AWACS aircraft, infrared early warning satellites, space-based sensors, all feeding into a single combat picture. This eliminates blind spots and delays. Detection, tracking, and engagement happen in near real time. The battlefield becomes transparent. This is where the real transformation begins. Artificial intelligence is now embedded in U.S. air defense operations. AI systems assist by identifying threat types, predicting trajectories, prioritizing targets, recommending interceptors instead of human operators sorting through massive data streams. AI filters the noise in seconds. The result: faster decisions, fewer mistakes, higher interception success. In modern air defense, speed is survival. The backbone of this system is JADC2, Joint All-Domain Command and Control. JADC2 connects Army, Navy, Air Force, Space Force, cyber units into one unified network. A radar does not need to belong to the same service as the missile it guides. If a sensor sees the target, any shooter can destroy it. This erases traditional service boundaries and creates a single, seamless battle space. One challenge remains: cost. Using million-dollar missiles against cheap drones is unsustainable. So the U.S. is investing in directed energy weapons, lasers, electronic warfare, and jamming, low-cost interceptors, rapid-fire short-range defenses. The future of air defense is not just missiles. It is energy, software, and automation. U.S. air defense is no longer reactive. It is predictive, networked, AI-assisted, industrially scalable. In the future, wars may not be decided by who strikes first, but by who can defend, endure, and adapt, and in that domain, Air defense has become one of America's most critical weapons. If you want more deep dive military analysis, subscribe for future breakdowns on missile defense, AI warfare, and modern combat systems.